Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Langens, CEO of IBIX Surface Technology, or most commonly known today as IBIX North America. We are a homegrown company down here in Tampa Bay, Florida. We've been here for many years, and about 10 years ago, we came to the market and looked at the restoration remediation market and really looked for technologies that could clean surfaces safely without damaging the surface, but also with multimedias. And there was none. So we came up with more portable, adjustable, multimedia surface cleaning equipment, which is IBIX today. These are the portable units here for remediation, restoration, and also historic preservation. It is my privilege today, in the next 15 minutes, to take you through our company, our applications, our product line, and not just the equipment, but today, after 10 years, we've also added the safe abrasives, all organic matters that we can clean with. And today we're teaching the contractor how to do the job properly and safely with a more versatile and portable product line. So if you're interested in a classroom, please sign up and go to our website for a Zoom meeting, which is standard today for us, to tell you about our newest technologies of cleaning and preserving the surfaces and buildings and structures of America today. Thank you.